Hello guys, I am mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to just draw another sketch sample. This sample is very easy. We will use the mirror in the sketch. This tool is very functional in the solidworks, and we will mirror these entities on this side of the sketch, and we will mirror these entities here to this side of the sketch. So before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me energy to upload more videos on YouTube. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. The version of my SolidWorks is 2016, so it doesn't matter which version you have. So here click on the new part. Okay, now we have a new document, new part. Okay, here we have 3 planes. For this video I will draw my sketch on the front plane, but I will tell you what's the use of the other planes. We will create planes in the other videos. So click on the front plane and click on sketch. Now here you have your sketch open here in sketch, and we always start with our origin point. So here we have a vertical line. So here I click on the line and I choose center line, and I click on the origin point. You can see the orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this orange point, my line will be connected to the origin point. So click on the origin point, and you can see as I move the line, here you can see a yellow symbol appears here, and it means that if you click on the screen, the vertical relation will be automatically applied to your line. So if you can't see your relation, here choose hide and show items and choose view a sketch relation. So you can see the green symbols here. This is the relation. If I choose the vertical relation and press the delete button on my keyboard, you can see the relation will be deleted and I can move it very easily. And if I click on the line and here in add relation choose the vertical relation, you can see I can't move it, but I can just move it in the vertical way. So this is the vertical relation. Here we have arc. So here I choose arc. I mostly use 3-point arc. These 2 arcs are a little bit useless. Just choose these. Choose the 3-point arc and choose the point here, the orange point here, the end of the line, and draw an arc. So the center of the arc must be this side of your sketch. Okay, and move your arc a little bit. Now it's okay. Here we have a vertical line. So here I choose line and I choose this point of arc and I draw the vertical line, the yellow symbol here and the vertical relation. And here we have arc. So here I choose 3-point arc and I choose the point here, the end of the line, and I draw a arc. The center of the arc must be this side of a sketch. Be careful about that. So it's okay. And here we have another arc. So here I choose this point of arc and I draw another arc with the second click, and here we have our arc. And here I have a line. So here I choose line and I draw a line. So here I choose this point and I draw a line, a horizontal line. So the horizontal relation. And here we have a vertical line. Here we have a arc. So here I choose this line here, and the center of the sketch must be here. It's perfect. And here you can see a horizontal center line. So I draw a horizontal center line and I connect the origin point to the arc here. And we want a horizontal line. So I click on the center line and I make it horizontal in add relation. It's okay. Now we have to apply the relations. This arc here, hold the control button on your keyboard and choose this arc and the line here, and in add relation give it tangent relation, and choose the arc here and this one, and in add relation give it tangent relation, and do the same thing here. Choose and the arc here and the line here, and in add relation give it tangent relation, and do the same thing with these 2 entities in add relation, tangent relation, and now it's perfect. The center of the arc must be vertical to the center line here. So hold the control button and choose these two entities, the point here and the line, and make it coincident. Okay. And this point, the center of the arc must be horizontal to the point here. So in add relation, give it horizontal relation. And this point is coincident to the line here. So in add relation, give it coincident relation. And the line here is horizontal to the center of the arc. So in add relation, give it horizontal relation. It's perfect now. And here, this point is coincident to this center line, so make it coincident. And this point is vertical to this point, the center of the arc, and make it vertical. It's perfect now. Now we have to give these entities dimension. So choose a smart dimension, and the dimension from this point to the point here, the origin point, is 50 millimeter, and the dimension of the radius of the arc here is, the radius of the arc is 8 millimeter. So you can see the lines and the arcs are turning black. It means that we are making our sketch fully defined, but it is not fully defined yet because the sketch is moving. The general purpose of drawing a sketch is to learn how to make your sketch fully defined. If you don't know how to make your sketch fully defined, you won't be able to create 3D models, and it'll be a problem for you, a serious problem. So here choose a smart dimension and give this arc 25 millimeter radius. And here, these arcs here, have the same radius. So I wanna give them a relation instead of dimension. And my sketch will be much flexible if I use appropriate relations. So here I hold the control button and I choose this arc here, and here in add relation I give it equal relation. Now these arcs are equal and you can see they are becoming black, but my sketch is not fully defined, and here you can see the sketch is underdefined. So the sketch is moving. I choose a smart dimension and I choose the point, the origin point, and I choose the center of the arc. If this happens to you, if you can't choose the entities correctly, just press the escape button on your keyboard. Again, I choose the smart dimension and I choose this point, the arc, the center of the arc, and the origin point, and give it 80 millimeter dimension. Your sketch is fully defined. You can see it is fully defined. All the entities are black. Now we have to use the mirror tool here in SolidWorks. So in your sketch, choose mirror entity and choose the entities that you want to mirror. So here choose this entity, this one, and this one, and the arc. And in mirror about, choose your line. So I choose this center line. I want to mirror these entities to this side of the line, to the left side of the center line. So press OK. Here we have a problem, so let's see what's the problem. When something like that happens, it means that you have given an extra relation or dimension. So here choose overdefine and here choose diagnose. Okay. It is finding a way to make our sketch fully defined again. The sketch was overdefined. Here set the tangent relation here is extra, and we have to delete this relation. We can accept the other suggestion. Here we have 24 suggestions, so I can delete, for example, this one, the first suggestion, accept. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now we can keep drawing our sketch. Now we have to mirror these entities here to this side of the line. So here again I choose mirror entities and I choose the entities one by one, the arcs and the lines. So follow along me, please. if you don't practice at home, if you don't play with these tools, you won't be able to become a CAD designer. So here in mirror about, choose this line because we want to mirror these entities to this side of the center line. So here choose OK. Now we have almost drawn our sketch. Here we have to just draw some circles. So here choose circle. I mostly use a 2-point circle and draw the circle here. And the dimension of the circle is 18 millimeter. So it is 18 millimeter. Okay. And we have to mirror this circle to this side of the center line. So here again I choose mirror entities and I choose this circle, and again I choose mirror abouts and I choose this center line. And now it is full defined. Now we have to draw a circle here, and the dimension of the circle is 30 millimeter. It's perfect now. You can see it's a little bit hard to see the dimensions and see the entities. So here choose hide and show items and turn off the relations. So the relations won't be shown on the screen. Here we have drawn our sketch. It was very easy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my other videos to learn the sketch bar here perfectly. Drawing a sketch is very important in SolidWorks. If you don't know how to draw the sketch, you will have a problem in designing 3D models. Thanks for watching this video.